Guys, this is the only thing that I eat. That I eat. Guys, this is the only thing that I need for Eid. It's a want and a need. It's really delicious. I'm Fayruza Abrahams and I'm a Cape Malay cook. Today I'm making Cape Malay pastei. What is pastei? There's no other name for it. It's a pie, mince pie with an egg topping eaten on the morning of Eid. When we pass the 15-day mark, the question is, what are we having for breakfast on Eid morning? So this is one of those lovely prep meals, make in advance, put it in the freezer and bake it on the morning of Eid. When you think you've added enough pepper, add some more. And this is my spice mixture. When your mixture looks like this, lovely and crumbly, we're going to go in with our spices, some beautiful bay leaves, and my little spice mixture. Whenever I'm cooking meat of any kind, oyster sauce. And I'm going to give this a lovely stir and give those spices a few minutes to cook. To give your ground beef a little bit extra flavor, I'm going to add in some of this lovely barbecue rub, and then I'm going to go in with my soaked sago. Stir that through. Firstly, you can see instantly when you add the sago, the mixture will start thickening. So I'm going to add vermicelli, and you can see, just going to crush it with my hand like that. Give everything a little stir. You can see the mixture is quite dry. And to that I'm going to add the slightest amount of water, not too much. You don't want your mixture to be too runny. And last but not least, of course, butter. Butter is what will give this that lovely, velvety, creamy texture. As soon as the butter is melted, this filling is done. The next thing we're doing is grating hard-boiled eggs to top our beef mixture with. So now we're going to line the bottom of our baking dish with the pastry. So the mixture's cooled down and I've just added the chopped coriander into it. I love making this pastei because I literally grew up eating this every day for Eid. When it's Eid morning, it's the first day that you're actually not fasting. So you want to have something really delicious, also substantial. So pastei is always there. I wake up in the morning smelling my mom baking that pastei. And my dad and my brothers would go off to mosque, and before they do that, they would have a piece of pastei and a cup of tea. Go to mosque, come back, and we'll enjoy the rest of it for breakfast. And then we're going to egg wash it, add some sesame on it, cut it into beautiful squares, and may seem a little bit odd, but it's a little trick I learned by my mom. And what it does, when the pie is baked, you have these beautiful individual squares ready to scoop out. What do you have for breakfast on Eid morning? Let me know in the comments down below.